Students, today talk about the topic for decision tree. What is going by a decision tree? A decision tree is a flow chart like a tree structure. This is for a example tree structures where each node denotes the test on the attributes value. Each branch represents the outcome of the test. So first of all, I denote the root node for example for some other any age. So age is going to be a different category, one for young and one for old. So this is also divided for another two categories of structures. One is young for becoming a income, then another it will be divided for the class A. This is for class B. These are also the sum of the test categories, and three leaves represent the classes or classes distributions. Then neural networks. Neural networks is nothing but used for classification. It's typically a collection of neuron-like processing units with vector and connections between the units. These are all like a simple example diagram. And next one for regression for the periodic analysis. Classification predicts categorical labels, regression, then also the prediction, numeric prediction, class label prediction. So regression analysis is a statistical methodology that is most often used for the numeric predictions, although other methods exist as well as. So regression also encompasses the identification of distribution trends based on the available data. Next, relevance analysis. So this is also the classification and the regression may need to be processed by relevance analysis, which attempts to identify the attributes that are significantly relevant to the classification and regression process. So such attributes will be selected for the classification and regression process. Next, cluster analysis. These for the some of the example or easily understand for this diagram also. So in classification and prediction analysis, class label data objects, whereas clustering analysis data objects without the consulting known as the class labels. The objects are grouped based on the principle of maximizing the intra-classes similarity and minimizing the inter-class similarity. This is the clusters of objects are formed so that the objects within the cluster. This is for the some cluster node. Next, outer layer the analysis. What is meant by the outer layer? A database may contain the data objects that do not compelling. Thank you. This is for the outer layer analysis. This is going for some of the definition for outer layer analysis. So next we will start for the evaluation and deviation analysis. Thank you, students.